Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Sangeeta. To begin with, let's take a look on today's headlines. Chief Minister has failed to handle Home Ministry Department. Congress demand the resignation of Chief Minister. State government should dismiss BJP government, demands Sudip Tamankar. Said will submit the memorandum to President of India and Union Home Minister. And Tourism Minister has illegally acquired Cellular Comunidad land, Advocate Irish Rodriguez. Now the news in detail. Home Minister is responsible for the destruction which happened on Thursday, said Congress. Chief Minister has failed to handle Home Ministry Department. Therefore, Congress have demanded the resignation of Chief Minister. Meanwhile, even NCP demanded CM's resignation. Sanjay Manoli, Yeshwant Parab and Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
Yesterday, on that incident, there was a total breakdown in the law and order situation in the state. So much so that even the intelligence failed. The way the Nigerians spoke to the police speaks volumes of the language what they are using to the police. Even while talking to SP, even while talking to senior police officers, it is because they are not scared of the police. Targeting only the particular community. Tomorrow, any other community can come and this incident can get repeated. Not only this, there could be a bigger incident. In fact, police have not done anything, and the police have taken the help of the locals. The locals came to the rescue of the police, and now there is a statement by the police that we are going to take action on the locals. I think the police should introspect and should put their administration in place and see that this type of incidents are well handled. Now we have got so many incidents coming up. We have got Sunburn coming up. We have got so many. The government is planning to give permissions. What is going to happen if somebody plans some attack on one community gets together and plans incident at the site? What will happen? Will the administration be able to take care of it? We strongly demand that there should be action there should be a judicial inquiry, and the most important, the Chief Minister should resign as a Home Minister. He has totally failed, and there is a total collapse in the law and order situation.
What I'm trying to say is that it is not just about Nigerians or it is not just about Kenyans. End of the day, Goa is an international tourism hub, and a lot of Indian tourists also come here. What intentions these people come with, and end of the day you can't spoil the name of the state. BJP is come. I think the crime rate has gone very high in Goa, and accountability is needed, and for that I think the Home Minister should resign.
How could he make a statement that, or is he giving direction to the police to book the locals who are not supporters of his party? But the locals who came out in numbers emotionally, the Chief Minister gives a direction, says, instead of when the matter on all fronts, his argument is the matter is under investigation. But when it comes to the locals, he says very categorically, they will be booked for attempt to murder. Now these ramifications of yesterday's incident is going to be international, and the law and order has collapsed, will go to every country, which will be now issuing alerts to their citizens not to visit Goa. And the only person will be responsible is none other than the Chief Minister of Goa and the Home Minister. If we have to save our face internationally, as our President has said, the only alternative is for the Chief Minister to resign and go home, so that we get the message that the man who is incapable of controlling law and order has been replaced.
State Governor should dismiss BJP government, demanded Congress spokesperson Sudip Tamankar. By dissolving the government, the State Governor should give right to justice to the people of Goa. The copy of memorandum submitted to the Governor will also be submitted to Delhi and Sushil Kumar Shinde. He added. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
29 तारखेर मंगळाराक तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष आसात विनय तेंडुलकर यांच्यानी जी प्रेस घेतली आणि त्या प्रेसान खंय तरी म्हाका अटक करपाचो दबाव सरकाराचेर पळय हाडपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. डायरेक्ट सगळ्या प्रेसाच्या माध्यमांतून संपूर्ण गोंयच्या लोकांनी पळयलें की आमी मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागणी करतले आनी म्हाका अटक करपाक. आनी दुसरे दिसा अटक जावपाक पुलीस खात्याचेर दबाव येता. जे पुलीस खातें 2 दीस पयलीं 41A म्हणून पळय जे CRPCन एक सेक्शन नवेंच एमेंडमेंट जाला. म्हणजे ह्या सेक्शनान एकदा नोटीस काढली कोणाय पुजेचेर कोणाचेर कंप्लेन आसा आनी ताका नोटीस काढली काय पुलीस अटक करपाक शकना. ही बिलां आनी नवी सांगून बेश्टे गोंयच्या जनतेची दिशाभूल करची न्हू. खरी RTI जो आसा तो सक्षम कायदो त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे जी म्हायती मागता ती गोंयच्या जनतेक उपलब्ध करून दिवची. हे सरकार मनोहर पर्रीकाराचो राजिनामो बी ना, हो राजिनामो बी दिवपाचो नरकासूर न्हू, हो कायमचो इल्लो आसा, हेका लजूच ना हांगासर. हो गोंयकारांक जेन्ना सोंपयतलो तेन्नाच हो खंय तरी घरा वयतलो, पूण राजिनामो बी आनीक ना हांगासर. हेणी फक्त आतां कितें राज्यपालान सरकार बरखास्तीचो निर्णय घेवचो पडटलो आनी ते बरखास्त करचे म्हणून हांवें मागणी केल्ली आसा. याच्या रिप्रेझेंटेशनाच्यो कॉपी राष्ट्रपतीकूय केल्या, सुशील कुमार शिंदेक केल्या, पण आयज ते दिवंक ना. जेन्ना हांव दिल्लीक वयतलो किंवा हांव फाल्यां दिवाळेचो सण सुटी आसलेल्या कारणान सोमाराक रजिस्टर एडीन धाडपाक शकता, पुढून ह्यो हांव धाडटलो आनी योग्य तरेन हे मॅटर फॉलोअप करतलो आनी गव्हर्नरान गोंयच्या जनतेक न्याय दिवचो. हे सरकार बरखास्त करून गोंयच्या जनतेक मुक्तता दिवची. एकदां ताका सांगपाक सोदता पर्रीकाराक की हैदराबाद फॉरेन्सिकाचो जो रिपोर्ट मागलोलो पळय त्या टायमार हँड रायटिंग एक्सपर्टांचो जो रिपोर्ट मागलोलो तो रिपोर्ट उघड करचो हिम्मत आसा जाल्यार सरकाराक. केसी फिलीप नेरीच्यो सेटिंगो करून केसी घेवन फाटीं जावचे ना. हिम्मत आसा चॅलेंज दिता तो रिपोर्ट एक्सपर्टाचो कोणाचो पळय कोणाचेर पळयला तो उघड करा. लोकांक बेश्टे दिशाभूल करपाचें स्टेटमेंट काडूं नाका हांगासर. आनी त्या प्रमाणे हे सरकार बरखास्तीच्याच लायकीचें आसा आनी बरखास्त ते बेगीन करचे अशी शेवटी मागणी करता.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has illegally acquired Cerula Comunidad land of around 399 square meter, alleged social worker Advocate Irish Rodriguez. He even lodged a complaint against Tourism Minister OSD Irene Sequeira Peter Martin at Porvorim Police Station. Yashwant Parab reports from Porvorim.
An FIR has been filed today against the Tourism Minister of Goa, Dilip Parulekar, at the Porvorim Police Station in connection with the 399 square meters of Comunidad land which Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has illegally grabbed from the Cerula Comunidad. So this FIR has been filed against him and also against the administrator of North Goa Comunidad, Irene Sequeira, who is currently the OSD of the Tourism Minister, and also Mr. Peter Martins, who is the attorney of the Cerula Comunidad. So the FIR is that the 3 of them have conspired to ensure that Dilip Parulekar gets prime land of 399 square meters has been given to him for a song. In fact, the price paid by him is only 3,41,000, whereas the cost of that land today is over 1 crore of rupees. So it has been basically a criminal conspiracy by the 3 of them to defraud the Comunidad of Cerula. The FIR has been filed under section 419, which is of cheating, and section 119 and 120 of the IPC, besides the section of criminal conspiracy. So the FIR has been filed today. So the police inspector has assured me that needful will be done as soon as possible. I have requested them to immediately register the FIR and start the investigation so that Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar can be brought to book. Such a situation is not acceptable when people misuse their power to grab the land. In fact, the matter is also pending before the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa, and the next hearing is fixed for November the 18th. So that petition which I have filed before the Bombay High Court at Goa is to ensure that this Comunidad land is reverted back to the Comunidad of Cerula. So this FIR today will take care of the criminal part of this offence, which I hope the police will take action and in accordance with law.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Lucky Enterprises, wholesale and retail shop. Salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margam, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
For the first time, Chief Minister has succeeded in arresting 53 Nigerians for creating chaos at Porvorim and Mapsa, said Industry Minister Mahadev Naik. He said that Congress is trying to give this incident a political turn for their selfish motive.
पहिले फावटी हे नायजेरियन लोकांक जे आसात तांकां 54 लोकांक अरेस्ट जाल्ले आसात. ताजे मुखार संपूर्ण चौकशी जातली. पण आयज पर्यंत कोणेच अशें धाडस करूं नाशिल्लें की जे कोण मस्ती करतात, जे किनारी भागांत धुमशाण काडटात, जे ड्रग्सां भितर इन्वॉल्व आसात, ह्या संदर्भाचे कृती करपाची, कारवाई करपाचे आज पर्यंत कोणें धाडस करूं नाशिल्लें. तें धाडस आमच्या गृहमंत्री म्हणजे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान केल्लें आसा आनी मुखार कितें योग्य कारवाई जावपाक जाय त्या खातीर आमचें सरकार जें आसा हें बांदील आसा. हांव तरी गेल्या 5 वर्सांक विरोधान काम केल्लें आसा. आमी आमच्या पक्षाक प्रामाणीक आसात. आमी हेवटेन ते वटेन उडी मारपाचो केन्ना प्रयत्न करना. पूण विजया सारको एक दगाबाज मनीस, धोकेबाज मनीस, कावेबाज मनीस ह्या गोंयच्या विधानसभेन पावले हें दुर्दैव आहे गोंयकारांचें. काँग्रेसच्या अध्यक्षांनी काही असो बेजबाबदार स्टेटमेंट केला. हे जे फॉरेनर्स न्ही जे कोण गोंयांत पिड्यार करपा आयल्यात ते बरोबर इंडियेंतले काही लोक जे आसात जेणी इलिगल वास्तव्य जे आसा ते आमच्या गोंयांत केल्लें आसा आनी ते मुखार सगळ्या लोकांक हानिकारक आसा. हाची जाणीव सगळे गोंयकारांक आसपाक जाय.
स्वतः अशे हेजेर विचार मांडपी काँग्रेसचे अध्यक्षाक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की तुजे घरान जे दुसरे प्रांतांतले ल्हानशे खोलीन 17 कितले जो लोक जे रावतात तांकां पयलीं घरांतले भायर काड. जे स्केलेटन शिरोडा हायर सेकंडरीन जाले जावं शिरोडा मेडिकल कॉलेजान ते इलिगल स्केलेटन तांणी दुसऱ्या जाग्यार व्हरून पुल्लेले आसात. ताजेर सरकाराचे योग्य ते कारवाई जातली अशी म्हाका अपेक्षा आसा.
ड्रग्स नेक्सस हे आयज रवी नाईक जे काल म्हणटा की आपूण हे एक्शन घेता आशिल्लो. हांव वास्तवीक एकच म्हणटा एखादे वेळ गोंयकाराक दिसतले हो एक आमचो भावनीक संघर्श आसा की गोंयकारांचेर अटॅक जाता तेन्ना कोणाचें रक्त चाळोवप हे स्वाभावीक आसा. आमी टीव्हीचेर पळयत आसतना आमचें रक्त उसळटाले पूण आमी दुसरे वटचो कसो विचार करिनात. एखादे वेळ ह्या हांकांच नायजेरियनाक झडटा आनी तुमचे जे टीव्ही कॅमेराज जावं बाकीचे सगळे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया फोकस जाता. एक क्लिप आमी जर इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर इज इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इंटरनॅशनल फोरमाक आमी तांकां कितें तरी दिता म्हणून एक मर्डर आमी ते दाखयतले. ताच्या नंतर लाठी समज पोलिसांनी लाठी चार्ज केलो जर जायत ते इन्सिडंट पिकअप करतले. हातून ह्युमन रायट्स वायोलेशन म्हणून हें जातलें. फायनली मॉब जो आसा ताका कोण कॅप्चर करपाक शकना. जो जबाबदार आसता तो पोलीस सर्वंट आसा म्हणून आयज पोलीस ऑफिसर एकदम कोणाच्या आंगार वचपाक शकना.
53 Nigerians were detained by police for creating chaos in front of Porvorim and Mapsa police station. 25 among 53 were produced before court on Friday and they were sentenced for 14 days imprisonment in Aguada jail.
53 Nigerians were detained by Goa police for creating chaos in front of Porvorim and Mapsa police station due to murder which occurred at Parra Lobowado on Wednesday night. 25 among 53 were produced before court on Friday and they were sentenced for 14 days imprisonment at Aguada jail. Renter Bike Association took out a huge rally to show protest against the harassment by the Nigerians. Due to this, Nigerians, youth of Goa is going into the drugs nexus and all the Nigerians who stay in illegal manner should be deported to Nigeria as soon as possible, they requested. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa.
आम्ही जायत काढल्या कित्याक काल तुमकां कितें जालां तें तुमी पळयलां. हे नायजेरियन हांगासर गोंयांत अशें दादागिरी करता आमच्या पुलिसांच्या आंगार वयता. कितें हेचो कितें तरी हें करूंक जाय आमचें कितें तरी सरकारान हेचो कितें तरी करूंक जाय म्हणून आमी रॅली काडल्या. आमी कितें दिसता की बाबा हे नायजेरियाक हांगासून गोंयसून धांवडचे. हेंकां तर हांगासून धांवडी ना जाल्यार हे आनीक येतले. फाल्यां तशें पोर्तुगीज पयलीं राज करता तशें आतां हेंचो राज जातलो गोंयांत. ह्या खातीर आमकां दिसता की हेंकां हांगासून धांवडचें म्हणून. आनी त्या खातीर जे पळय ड्रग्स बी जो हाडटा हे सगळें तेच हाडटा आनी आयचो जो यूथ जो पिड्ड्यार जाला ड्रग्स सोडून तो हेंच्या खातीरूच जाला. आनी तर फुडें तर ड्रग्स फ्री तर तो करूंक जाय क्लीन दवरूंक जाय जाल्यार हेंकां पयलीं हांगासून धाडूंक जाय हीच आमची मागणी आसा.
आमी रेंट बायक आसा पळय तेंच्या निशेध म्हणून ही रॅली ऑर्गनायज केल्या. आमच्या वांगडा रेंट बायक ट्रॅव्हल्स टॅक्सी ओनर सगळे जितले मार्केटान बिझनेस करता तितले आमकां आयज सपोर्ट आसा. फुडें आतां आमची संख्या मातशी कमी जाली कित्याक आमी ऑन द स्पॉट दवरले तरी आसतना आमकां रिस्पॉन्स खूब मेळ्ळो. आमी फक्त अशें धरयलां की जो नायजेरियन येतलो तेजे कडेन वेव्हार करचे ना. ते गाडयो भाड्याक दिवप ना ताका घरा भाड्याक दिवप ना तिकेटीक दिवप ना कसलोच वेव्हार तेंचे कडेन करप ना हे आमी धरला. झगडी झुजा आमी करचे ना. तेंच्यांनी काल कायदो हातीन घेतलो म्हणून आमी हातीन घेवचे ना. आयज नरकासूर म्हणजे नायजेरियन. आयज म्हाका अशें दिसता की एका नरकासुराक जळोवप म्हणजे एक नायजेरियनाक जळयतले आमी. सगळी घाण आसा ती आयज आमी सोंपयतले. फाल्यां दिवाळीच्यान आमी बरे कामाक सुरवात करतले.
The Karmal Ghat at Kankon have become the most dangerous accident-prone zone. The sharp turn on the ghat sees an accident every alternate day. In yet another incident, Lakshmikant Phaldesai was injured when a polo car collided with his scooter. Babesh Borkar reports from Kankon.
प्रॉब्लेम म्हणल्यार कितें तो आपणा वेन सारको तुगेलो काणकोण वेन वयतालो हे भायली कर्नाटका गाडी इतली स्पिडीचेर येयली आनी ताका सामको धपको दिन सामको उडयलो सामको. आनी हे इतली स्पिडीचेर गाडी चलयता हायवेचेर टर्न बी म्हूण पळयनाय आनी सामकी स्पिडीचेर गाडी चलयता. हेंचेर कितें तरी एक्शन घेवपाक जाय पोलिसांनी. आनी इतलेंच की कितें सोरपीन काय कितपीन चलयता म्हूण कांयच समजना.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave, well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची अपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची अपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड एडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता देखून एडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Pardes, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 11491. Welcome back. The shopkeepers at Kankan have opposed the decision of Kankan municipality of allowing parking of vehicles in front of municipality building. The municipality have taken decision of allowing parking of vehicles in front of municipality building due to the lack of parking space. When asked the chairperson Mahadev Desai, he said the decision will not be rolled back. Babesh Porkar reports from Kankan.
आमचे शॉपकीपर रेजिडेंट्स एरियाचे जेन्ना आमी आयकलां की हिंगा रिजर्व पार्किंग जाता म्हूण तेन्ना आमकां हिंगा आसतना रेजिडेंट्स आनी आमची शॉपकीपर्स ओनर्स आनी शॉपकीपर आसतना आमकां ही रिजर्व पार्किंग नाका अशें तरेन प्रेजेंट पार्किंग केल्ले आसता लोक येयल्ले आसता आमी कोणाकूच मना करना पूण रिजर्व पार्किंग केलें जाय इट इज पब्लीक पार्किंग म्हणून बरयलें जाय तो आमकां त्रास जातले
आनी तेतूंक म्हाका दिसता ती एरिया जी आहा ती सायडबॅकाक सोडली सपोज एक कोणी एक बिल्डर परमिशन मागता तेन्ना आमकां सायडबॅक सोडचें पडटा त्या भायर तेणें पार्किंग बी दाखोवचें पडटा मागीर त्या टायमार ती सगळी स्टडी करून तो रिपोर्ट कलेक्टराक धाडलो आनी कलेक्टरान नोटिफिकेशन काडलें आसा की अमको जागो टू व्हिलरा उरतलो अमको नो पार्किंग उरतलो अमको फोर व्हिलर उरतलो मागीर ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता सगळी शॉप ओनरांनी हेतून कॉपरेट करपा जाय दिसता आनी जी तेंगे बिल्डिंगे मुखाल्ली जागा आसा ती सायडबॅकाक सोडली आसा आनी 30 दिसां भितर तेणी एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर रोड्स आनी एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर हायवे हांकां 30 दिसां भितर तेजेर एक्शन घे म्हणलां म्हणल्यार हें जातालेंच आनी म्हाका दिसता सगळी शॉपकारांनी हेतून कॉपरेट करपाक गरज आसा म्हाका दिसता.
The Government Polytechnic College of Altino will be launching a social college scheme from 19 November onwards. This scheme have been introduced by Human Resource Development Minister of India in order to increase the efficiency of skilled technique workers and also provide skilled workers to tourism development and hotel industry. Ishwant Parab reports from Panjim.
I am proud to announce that ours is the only polytechnic in the state of Goa to be selected under this scheme among 300 polytechnics all over the country. Now this scheme has been started with the mission of Skilling India 2020. We find that in India there are a lot of young youth, population is there about 5 million people, but they are not productive. So central government has come with a mission to make them productive and give them the skills so that they can get right jobs and they can also start their own workshop or a small unit. All polytechnics and all colleges will become community colleges. Some of you will be asking me what commerce colleges are going to do by becoming community colleges. Commerce colleges, half day the students have to go in the bank and half day come to the college. Now this every student, now this diploma course or in the colleges who are studying BCom and all, that will continue. Parallel to this system will come. And when we find that this system is more efficient and we get better qualified people, then slowly the formal system will stop. That will take some time. It will not stop immediately. Because we have to prove that this system is better than the existing system. And time only will tell. So there are 13 sectors, 57 specializations and 576 skill providers on the portal of AICT. You can go log in on the AICT portal, you can go to Google and type AICT, you get a portal, and on the portal every information is given on the portal. In the institute they are going to come and learn writing skills, speaking skills and mathematical skills. Whereas technical skills they are going to go to the industry, to the SKPs, skill and knowledge providers who have been identified. We have also identified 2 courses here, refrigeration and air conditioning and building construction. We have here with us head of mechanical and head of civil engineering. But since this is a pilot project, we want to test the waters, so we have started only 2 courses, and now immediately all 11 courses will become community college courses.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Chief Minister has failed to handle Home Ministry Department. Congress demand the resignation of Chief Minister. State government should dismiss BJP government, demands Sudip Tamankar. Said will submit the memorandum to President of India and Union Home Minister. And Tourism Minister has illegally acquired Cellular Comunidad land, Advocate Irish Rodriguez. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.